and that they do not want police inside their building. They do not feel safe, and they need more dialogue until the police are welcome inside the school. Please feel free to watch my body camera. It was on the whole time. You'll be disgusted.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm Cheryl Camacho. I'm the chief of the Empowerment Zone. So
Oh, okay.
This is one of my 5 schools.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Just walking through. What's going on?
Just making sure you guys are safe.
Okay. Right. So I know we had a situation yesterday with a student who's.
Yeah.
Okay, is that what you're talking about?
But I mean, this is just the area I work, so just making sure you guys are okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we're fine. We're good.
Do you like having us come in?
If I know the scope of what you're doing, so you're just walking through right now, and are you like connect? Like, what do you do? You connect with the kids? What do you do?
Just make sure you guys are okay.
Okay. Yeah.
We're peacekeepers.
Okay. Yeah. Who can I talk with about like just that in terms of our buildings? Because I don't think have you been here before this year?
Well, I mean, we know each other.
He's been coming here throughout over the years, so it's not something that a call prompted.
I mean, if it makes you uncomfortable having us walk in, then you're welcome to call the chief's office and just ask us not to come.
Okay. Yeah, and it's not that I wouldn't say blanket uncomfortable. We're just breaking from a lot of past practices in prior years. So, like one example is, for example, at Navarre Middle School, which is also one of my schools, it was past practice for people to take drug sniffing dogs to go throughout the building, and that's something we're not supportive of right now. So. It's just, we need to probably have a conversation, me and your chief, just to understand what exactly.
Ma'am, I don't make policy. I don't make policy.
Right, that's why I said I need to have a conversation with your chief.
But if you're not going to hurt my feelings, if you don't want me walking through your school, I won't come through your school.
Yeah, I think for now, let's hold until I have the conversation with the chief.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your name is?
Cheryl Camacho. Dr. Camacho.
Doctor. Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so just so we're clear, you don't want me through your school.
Not until I have a conversation with the chief about what the focus will be.
Okay.
Okay. Just so we can be 100% on the same page, because apparently there's past practice and I don't know anything about that because I've been here for 2 years.
Okay.
But thank you.
We're the good guys. Trust me.
I know you are, and I appreciate that.
Okay. All right.
Thank
Well,
you
listen.
so
Have a good morning. Okay.
You too. Take care.
All right, and I'll pass it along that we're not to come in here. Okay.
Great. Thank you. Miss Chief, can I talk to you for a minute?
10 for clear. Units clear direct. 34 is clear.
34, go to 2. 34, you there?
Good.
There's some Dr. Camacho or whatever who's going to call the chief's office, and that they do not want police inside their building. They do not feel safe, and they need more dialogue until the police are welcome inside the school.
Okay, I'm clear. I'll pass that on to the captain.
Please feel free to watch my body camera. It was on the whole time. You'll be disgusted.
I'm clear.
Video off.
The true test of liberty is the right to test it.
Alright guys, if you liked that video, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell.